Open your hand. Imagine a single grain of sand resting on your palm. It seems insignificant, almost invisible against the vastness of the world. Yet this tiny speck holds within it the secrets of the universe. It is a microcosm of the cosmos, a testament to the intricate connections that bind all things. Hold the grain of sand up to the light. Notice how the light plays across its surface, revealing a subtle shimmer. This tiny fragment of rock, born from ancient mountains and weathered by the endless tides, carries a history as old as time itself. Within its depths lies a hidden universe waiting to be explored. We begin our journey into the infinitesimal, peering deeper into the structure of the sand grain. What secrets, what wonders await us in this miniature world? What will we discover about ourselves, about the universe, as we delve into the heart of matter? The sand grain, at first glance smooth and uniform, reveals its true nature under magnification. A rugged, complex landscape emerges. Jagged edges, like miniature mountain ranges, rise from its surface. Tiny crevices and valleys, carved by wind and water over eons, speak of a tumultuous past. Each grain is a time capsule, holding within its crystalline structure the echoes of ancient events. Volcanic eruptions, the slow grind of glaciers, the relentless pounding of ocean waves, all are imprinted on this minuscule speck of matter. The sand grain becomes a history book, its pages filled with the stories of our planet. But our journey has just begun. We must delve deeper, beyond the visible, into the realm of atoms, the building blocks of all matter. Prepare yourself, for the universe we are about to explore is stranger and more wonderful than we could ever imagine. Imagine shrinking down to an unimaginable size, small enough to pass through the spaces between the atoms that make up the sand grain. We find ourselves in a realm of constant motion, a subatomic ballet of incredible speed and complexity. The atoms themselves are not solid, as we might perceive them in our macroscopic world. Instead, they are miniature solar systems, with electrons whirling around a central nucleus, much like planets orbit a star. These electrons, negatively charged particles, dance in a delicate balance with the positively charged protons within the nucleus. This delicate dance of attraction and repulsion is what holds all matter together. It is the fundamental force that binds the sand grain, the hand that holds it, and indeed the entire universe into existence. Our journey continues to the very heart of the atom, the nucleus, a realm of unimaginable density. Here, protons and neutrons, particles that give an atom its identity, are locked in a tight embrace. But these particles are not fundamental. They are composed of even smaller entities known as quarks. Quarks, held together by gluons, the carriers of the strong force, are the true building blocks of matter. Their interactions are a whirlwind of energy, a constant dance of creation and annihilation. It is a realm governed by the laws of quantum mechanics, where our everyday intuition breaks down. And yet, for all its strangeness, this subatomic world is intimately connected to the vast cosmos we see above. The very same forces that govern the interactions of quarks and gluons are also responsible for the formation of stars, galaxies, and the large-scale structure of the universe. Imagine now reversing our journey. We zoom out from the nucleus of an atom, past the orbiting electrons, past the familiar realm of atoms and molecules. The sand grain, once a miniature universe, shrinks back to its insignificant size. As we move further out, we see the hand holding the sand grain. It too is but a collection of atoms, of quarks and electrons, all engaged in the same cosmic dance. We see the Earth, a swirling blue sphere, home to an unimaginable diversity of life, all built from the same fundamental particles. Our journey continues, past the moon, past the other planets of our solar system, each a unique world shaped by the same fundamental forces. We travel beyond the reaches of our sun's influence into the vastness of interstellar space. Section 6. A universe in every grain. We find ourselves surrounded by billions upon billions of stars, each a fiery furnace where atoms are forged in the crucible of nuclear fusion. These stars are gathered into vast swirling galaxies, islands of light in the ocean of space. And still, our journey continues, past distant galaxies, past clusters and superclusters of galaxies, until even these vast structures fade into the background. We have travelled from the heart of an atom to the edge of the observable universe, and yet something remarkable has happened. The universe we now see before us, a tapestry of light and darkness stretching across unimaginable distances, appears eerily similar to the subatomic world we left behind. The patterns of galaxies, the distribution of matter and energy, even the cosmic web of filaments and voids that make up the large-scale structure of the universe, all echo the patterns we observed at the smallest scales. Section 7. The Echo of Creation. Could it be that the universe is fractal in nature, its structure repeating itself on every scale? Could it be that the same laws, the same fundamental forces govern the interactions of both quarks and galaxies? The universe, it seems, is not simply a collection of disparate objects scattered across the void. It is an interconnected web, a cosmic tapestry woven from the threads of the same fundamental forces. From the smallest subatomic particle to the largest supercluster of galaxies, everything is connected. The journey from a grain of sand to the edge of the cosmos is a journey of self-discovery. It is a reminder that we are not separate from the universe, but rather we are an integral part of it. Section 8. As above, so below. We carry within ourselves the echoes of the Big Bang, the event that brought our universe into being. The atoms that make up our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars long ago and far away. We are quite literally stardust. This realization fills us with a sense of awe and wonder. It compels us to ask profound questions about our place in the grand scheme of things. What is the nature of reality? What is our purpose in this vast and ancient universe? The answers to these questions may remain forever elusive, but the search itself is what makes us human. It is our curiosity, our desire to explore and understand, that drives us forward. Section 9. The Infinite Canvas. So the next time you hold a grain of sand, remember that you hold within your hand a universe of possibilities. Remember that you are connected to everything in the cosmos, from the smallest subatomic particle to the largest supercluster of galaxies. Remember that you are part of something vast and ancient, something beautiful and mysterious. And remember that the universe is still unfolding, and we, with our curiosity and our imagination, have the privilege of witnessing it all. The universe is our canvas, and we are the artists. Let us use our time wisely and create something beautiful.